Hello, and in this video we'll compare two price lists from different files or workbooks in Excel. Products 4, 9, and 14 change their prices from one month to the other. Let's clear the manual highlights and show you how Excel can do this for you. First, let's copy the lists from July and paste it to the price list in June. Click on the triangle right above A1. This will select the entire sheet from July. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Now let's go back to the price list from June. Create a new tab with a plus sign. In this new tab, go to cell A1 and paste this information with Ctrl+V. Now we have the two price lists in the same workbook. Select the data without the headers. For this demo, we'll highlight the changes in July. In the Home tab, under the Styles group, choose Conditional Formatting. Go to New Rule towards the bottom. Pick the last option or use a formula to determine which cells to format. The text field below is ready for our formula. We'll type equal or and open parentheses because we need to highlight the cells that meet at least one of multiple conditions or price changes in this case. Highlight only the first row with prices from B3 to D3. Only the top ranges are selected and not the entire columns, because conditional formatting needs to scan the entire columns from top to bottom. Remember to leave the dollar signs before the columns B and D, so they stay fixed and do not run over. I am removing the dollar signs from the row 3 so the formula can scan the bottom rows. Since we only want to spot the differences, we'll use the two-arrow operator. This is the total opposite of the equal sign. Now we need to tell Excel that we are comparing June against July prices. So let's go to the June tab and highlight the top rows, B3 to D3. And again, we'll leave the dollar signs in the columns, but remove them from the rows. Close parentheses. We are almost done. Select the highlight color in Format, go to Field tab, pick any color, and OK. Press OK once again, and only the three products with changes are highlighted. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can get the free Excel shortcuts in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.